Click on Forms. Select the top-level organization unit. Whereas questionnaires are targeted at applicants, forms are completed by the recruitment team, or can be used to collect information that will assist the recruiter. On registration, a number of forms are set up and assigned to the top organizational unit, and shared. There are 4 types of forms: interview guides, scripts, assessments, and references. Interview guides are designed to provide less experienced interviewers with guidance on how to prepare and structure an interview, or as an aide-memoire for the more experienced interviewer. To preview a form, click on its preview icon. Interview guides allow human resource professionals to define interview guidelines for the entire organization. Interview scripts are templates that provide a framework for conducting different types of interviews. For example, suggesting questions that are suitable to ask applicants in a telephone interview, and recommending questions that are more suited for interviews that are conducted in person. Specific organizational units can use their detailed knowledge to set its own interview scripts to test an applicant's knowledge. Interview assessments are score templates that are intended to be completed post-interview by each of the interviewers in order to assess each interviewee. Ideally, for each interview script there will be a matching scored interview assessment. Reference forms are questionnaires that are intended to be completed by each applicant's nominated referees. These can be tailored for the type of referee, such as former employer, academic or personal. The reference form should be customized to request the exact information that the recruiter requires from each type of referee. Forms that are marked as shared are available to all organizational units. Forms that are not shared are available to the assigned organizational unit and its dependents. The recruiter should ensure that there is a customized script and assessment form for each interview format that is used. If multiple interview rounds are used, new scripts and assessment forms should be created so that questions that have been asked previously are not asked again, and that the assessments are complementary to those made in previous rounds. Further templates are available from the form library by clicking on the Library Import option. To import library templates, click on the Templates checkbox and click on Import Selected, and then click OK. To exit the library, click on Exit. Imported forms can be customized by clicking on the Compose the Questions icon. Forms that are imported are not shared. To share them, use the Edit icon. Set Shared to Yes. Click Save. OK. Before forms can be assigned to campaigns, they must be activated. A form can be set to active through the edit when changing the shared status. Or by clicking on the Activate icon. OK. When activated, the form's status indicator color will be changed from orange to green. Forms can be copied using the Copy icon. Once defined and activated, forms can be integrated into the recruitment campaigns. HR Selector recommends recruiters adapt the system-provided forms, customizing the questions and setting the scoring to reflect the recruiter's own organization.